Welcome to Practice English Slowly.
Part 5. Night Routine. Evening and Getting Ready for Bed. By around 9 p.m., I start to slow down and prepare for the night. Evenings are my favorite time of day because I can finally relax and do things I enjoy. I like to make a cup of herbal tea, like chamomile or peppermint, because it helps me feel calm. While I drink my tea, I usually sit on the couch, light a candle, and maybe watch something on Netflix. I prefer light and positive shows at night, something that makes me laugh or just feel good before going to bed. Sometimes I spend my evenings journaling. I keep a small notebook where I write about my day, what I did, what made me happy, or what I want to improve tomorrow. Writing helps me organize my thoughts and relax my mind. I also write down small things I'm grateful for. For example, I might write, "I'm thankful for the sunny weather today," or "I'm happy I had a nice conversation with a friend." Gratitude journaling makes me feel positive and appreciate the little things in life. I try to avoid too much screen time before bed. Of course, I'm not perfect. Sometimes I scroll on my phone longer than I should. But I know that looking at my phone too much makes it harder to sleep. That's why I like to read a book for 20-30 minutes instead. Right now, I'm reading a romantic novel. It's simple but fun, and I enjoy imagining the story as I read. Around 10 p.m., I start my night routine. The first thing I do is clean my face and brush my teeth. I have a simple skincare routine. I wash my face, apply a gentle moisturizer, and sometimes a night serum. Taking care of my skin is important to me because it feels refreshing and helps me relax. I also like to prepare things for the next day. For example, I choose what clothes I will wear tomorrow and check my to-do list. Sometimes I even prepare my lunch in advance, like cutting vegetables or making a sandwich so I don't have to rush in the morning. Before bed, I often spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching or doing light yoga. It helps my body relax after sitting at work all day. I especially like doing neck and back stretches. They make me feel comfortable and ready for sleep. Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m. I like to get at least 7 hours of sleep, so I try not to stay up too late. Before I fall asleep, I sometimes listen to soft music or nature sounds like rain or ocean waves. It makes me feel peaceful. I take a few deep breaths and remind myself to let go of the day's stress. I really believe that good sleep is the key to a happy and productive life. When I sleep well, I wake up with energy and a good mood. So I always try to end my day with positive thoughts. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really enjoyed sharing my story. I hope you have a wonderful day, and maybe you'll take one of my ideas to make your own life better. Bye for now.